had shown that over 600 metres the car was quickest, and over 1,200 metres the plane had the advantage. So, the grand final, the decider, would be a 900-metre sprint.
Michael will be pleased to know the Eurofighter isn't carrying any weapons. It still weighs 11 tonnes though and measures 16 metres long. The Ferrari weighs just 600 kilos and is 4.5 metres long. A 3-litre V12 built by Ferrari themselves against 2 turbofan engines made partly by Rolls-Royce.
Grosseto held its breath. At halfway, Michael was ahead, but then the afterburners on full reheat immediately took effect. The brand new Eurofighter project had chalked up its first kill. It took the Ferrari 13.2 seconds to cover the 900 metres, but the jet was 0.2 quicker. Michael says the wet tarmac hampered his getaway, but he still managed to hit 190 miles an hour and was leading at 400 metres. But it wasn't enough to hold off the Eurofighter's 40,000 pounds of thrust. Slingshotting the plane past the car, Cayley says he glanced at the clocks and saw 298 miles an hour as he crossed the line.